Please welcome Melanie Smallman, Associate Professor in Science and Technology Studies at University College London and Chair of the Falling Walls Engage Jury.
Now I can get up. Falling Walls Engage is the competition to find the best science engagement project in the world. And that's always important, to find a project that's breaking down the walls between science and society. And this year our focus was on climate change, which I think makes it even more important than ever before. So we had 15 projects from 15 different countries, which ranged from creating computer games to learn about climate change, mapping giant coral, which I learned is, I don't know if I'm going to get this right, the biggest animal on the planet, and you can see giant coral from space, apparently, so that's amazing. And we sang the Misinformation Blues. So we had a good time, despite the serious nature of the topic we were dealing with. And as usual, it was a really hard decision to find a winner, but we agreed that there was one project that captured the spirit of Falling Walls Engage particularly well. And the project was involved with breaking down the wall between restoration and Indigenous knowledge. So I'm delighted to introduce this year's Falling Walls Engage Breakthrough of the Year, Nondas Ferreira da Silva.
Yes, thank you. So, welcome to Breaking the Wall of Restoration with Indigenous Knowledge. My name is Nondas. I'm from Brazil. I'm a forest engineer and also founder of the Institute New Era. It's a non-profit organization that supports indigenous and traditional communities to restore nature, but also to restore hope. Now, imagine a land bigger than France, UK, and Germany together. This is the Cerrado, the savanna of Brazil, my home. Cerrado is one of the 36 global biodiversity hotspots and also home of 5% of all species on the earth. However, half of it's already being destroyed. And it's very important because it regulates South America rainfall. So we have a huge biodiversity that it's being lost by forest fire, deforestation and illegal logging, monoculture, mining, and also soya expansion, bringing my people to face thirsty and migration. And the people who have been protecting these areas for centuries, indigenous and traditional community, are often excluded from development and income opportunity. So I ask, imagine if restoration could also restore dignity and income generation. So our technique uses ancestral knowledge with modern science. We use a methodology called Muvuka. So please repeat with me, Muvuka. Yes, let's do it again. Muvuka. Great. Muvuka, it's an indigenous word that means mix of seeds. Seeds that we sow directly in the soil. It's combined this ancestral knowledge with scientific knowledge. And it's not just restoring land, it's also empowering people and engaging them in restoration activities. Until now, we have been training more than 400 people to become seed collectors through 48 capacity building training. Well, our methodology and our technique have been recognized as a good practice from Food and Agriculture Organization, the FAO. And until now, we have been restoring 50 hectares and also training lots of people. We also have some partnership with German organization and university. And our methodology and our initiative, it's also in the framework for ecosystem restoration monitoring as a good practice. Well, here it's me with a jatoba tree. It was a seed like that I planted, and now, in 1 year, it's a tree bigger than me. Yeah, so please play the video. Good. So this is a video about the capacity building that we are doing in the rural communities. And it's not just about training, it's also about learning and exchanging knowledge with the people who are in the ground. It's also bring happiness to those people. I would like to have my maraca here. And there is a lot of knowledge about that, empowerment and also women's empowerment. And this is very important for us to create a better future, more inclusive. So, what is your goal for the future? We would like to scale up our model for 50,000 hectares, creating more than 2,000 green jobs and doubling women's participation. And when I see young people collecting seeds with pride, when I see indigenous women leading restoration, I realize we are not just restoring nature, we are restoring belongings, identity, and hope. I dream in a future that restoring nature is also restoring ourselves, because restoring nature is creating a future where dreams can come true. And everyone here can be part of that, because we are the generation of restoration. Obrigado. Hey, Klaus. You're going to give me a hug, too? Thank you.